When I walk, usually I like to find trips that are over 100 miles, just because I feel like I've accomplished something within myself. What I love about Ireland, it's just the variety, the difference of landscapes that you come upon. One minute you're in the pasture, one minute you're on the cliffs, overlooking the ocean and the rocks and the swells, and the next minute you're walking on the beach. Sometimes you're walking on roads, but they're very quiet. The Dingle Way is very easy to navigate. The signposts are there. It's very difficult to get lost. The Macs Adventure app is perfect. It will show every turn, every point of interest. There's a lot of history on the Dingle Way, that's for sure. The Menard Castle, not only is the landscape amazing, but the history is also amazing. Part of the adventure is being able to go into a town, like the town of Dingle, and then go into a bar and experience the local culture and the local people. My favorite part of the Dingle Way trip was all of it. Of course, the blackberries are pretty good. I love the blackberries. And the way that everybody just gets together and just has a good time.